exercise that we are going to do a little more complicated one. We are going to create the parcel map. So I'm going to add unit cost. Then I'm going to add the G7B13. Put this, and let me just where is it? It's a one of the place in Bedminster, and I'm going to add also parcel JPEG images. Basically, what it is it's a parcel map, right? Assume that we have a paper parcel map, then we are going to digitize it. So you wanna see the aerial photograph, through this parcel map. What you can do is you can double click this display, and you can put transparency as 50, or you can put 40 or 30. You can make a decision. So you can see the line, and you can see the layers too. So if we want to digitize this parcel, right, the first thing that we have to do, like previous exercise, is what we need to create the shapefile, right? So you choose it, you go to our catalog, go to file, new, oops, okay, we'll just click this, file, new, and shapefile. I will just say parcel, right? Make sure that you choose polygon, not the polyline, and edit, select projected coordinate system, state plane, net 83, dun 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 dun, New Jersey, apply, okay. So you can add parcel shapefile, right? Now what you have to do is, I think I explained to you that you cannot really draw one polygon by one polygon, right? The reason being is, there will be lots of sliver in the line. So for example, if I say editor, start editing parcel, right? If I create the new features in here, let's say I draw the polygon, right? Like this. If I draw another one, it look like it is okay. However, if you zoom in, right, you can see there's some sliver, right? So line doesn't match, right? So that's not the right way. So what I can do is, wait, let me just do the parcel, zoom to layer. We can have it share the line, at adjacent line. So what we have to do is, let me just select everything and delete it. I can draw this entire polygon, and then I can cut it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So by cutting the polygon, that the line that is used to cut is what being used as for each polygon. So let's just draw one thing quick. I'm just clicking here. I will just do a little rough. You have to do a little more detail, I just want to show the concept. So what you can do is, from here, right, I have a parcel map. I may have to do this one as display transparent to 50%, right? And then maybe I can put the line a little thick line too, maybe 3, and then red fill color, no fill color, like this, right? Now what you can do is there is a function called cut polygon features, right? What I can do is by using this, I can cut polygon like this, and then this line will be shared exactly by these two polygons, right? Make sure that when you use these cut polygon features, you put over this line, so make sure that you cut it like exactly. Some people try to put a line exact here. In that case, it may be undershoot from this line, so you cannot cut. Make sure you put it over and then over the line, so you cut it, right? Same thing. Now in here, right, once I cut it in here, like it's better that I cut this line first, right? So I can cut through here again, right? And then I can draw the polygon. Now another thing is, if I want to cut this line, if I do this, nothing happens. Why? Because the polygon is not selected. What you have to do is you have to select this polygon, and then you can do cut polygon features, right? Okay, and then I can cut it, right? Now we learn how to put the block and line number. So for example, I'm not going to finish all. Open attribute table, right? I need to create the block and lot number, but how can I add field is not working? So how could you do? You need to save edit and stop editing, right? And then go to attribute table, go to option, add field, block. Let's say I will just put 10, but it's not the short integer, it's the text. And also I'm going to add the field and say lot text 10. And then once you know the block and lot number here, you can type the block and lot number here too, right? And then you can create a map. That's it for the exercise 10.